Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need an iPhone with Face ID and the camera and mic permissions enabled. That's why you update iOS first. Once done, open Messages and tap the Animoji icon to load models. Make sure you're 2 feet from the front camera with even lighting so the face mesh tracks precisely. Now choose an Animoji character and rehearse expressions for a few seconds. This initial setup reduces tracking errors and lets you start recording confidently. You'll tap and hold the red record button to capture your performance, and remember clips are limited, usually around 30 seconds, so plan your lines. Speak clearly and slightly exaggerate mouth and eyebrow actions so the Animoji captures emotions accurately. Small movements can get lost. If you need multiple segments, use pause and resume or record separate clips. This gives you edit-friendly takes. Make sure background noise is low so the audio sync stays clean and predictable. Once you're happy, tap Done, then either send the Animoji or save it to Photos for editing. If you want a cleaner final video, open Photos or iMovie to trim, add music, or export at 1080p at 30 for social sharing. If the face tracking or audio goes out of sync, make sure Messages has camera and microphone permission, toggle the front camera off/on, or force close and reopen the app. This simple restart often clears tracking glitches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.